Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Windows Media Player error. The error may appear like so: 0x800757. When you try to play a video, that error occurs. Here's a way to fix it. Just go on your Windows icon, right click, go on Settings, then here go under Installed Apps. Look for the media player. When you see it, then click on these three dots, then click on Advanced Options. Once you're here, scroll down, then you need to click on here. Make sure you click on Reset and it will reset the media player. And after you do that, try to play the videos again. It'll start working and you're done.